Welcome to your Bigbear.ai stock update for November 10th, 2025. Bigbear.ai, ticker symbol BBAI, is trading at $5.68 on NYSE, up slightly by 0.44% today. The stock price ranged between $5.29 and $5.72, with a high volume of about 77 million shares. The company's market capitalization is around $2.1 billion, reflecting its position as a provider of artificial intelligence-powered decision intelligence solutions with a focus on national security, supply chain management, and digital identity. Financially, Bigbear.ai reported an earnings per share of negative $1.58 with a negative price-to-earnings ratio of minus 3.59, typical for a growth company investing heavily in technology and expansion. The stock is currently trading below its 50-day moving average of $6.54, but above its 200-day moving average near $5.31, indicating a mixed technical picture. The Fear and Greed Index reads 39, showing cautious sentiment among investors. For trading strategy, look for potential entry points near the 200-day moving average around $5.30 as a key support zone. A breakout above the 50-day moving average at $6.54 with strong volume could signal a positive momentum shift, targeting resistance levels near $7 to $7.50. Use stop losses around $5 to manage risk, given the stock's volatility and broader AI sector fluctuations. Keep an eye on upcoming earnings releases and government contracting news, which could provide significant catalysts. That's your Bigbear.ai update for November 10th, 2025. Stay tuned for more market insights and trading strategies to help guide your investments.